Down 200 on the Dow, down about 100 on the Nasdaq. The selling continues. Michael Lee with us this morning. All right, Michael, we've got inflation, we've got high rates, interest rates, and we've got China. Why should I put money into the market right now? I've asked this question a dozen times. What's your answer?
Yeah, well, Stuart, it depends what you're putting money into. I still think this commodity run based on supply chain difficulties and the U.S. still coming out of the COVID lockdowns and coming back online, travel picking up, things like the energy sector be good places to put your money. Yesterday, the XLE hit $71 a share, paying over a 4% yield. I think today it's going to open up about $74. I think that's on its way back up to 80 and to make new highs. But as a rule, I've been looking for days where the market rallies and lightening up on tech because when you have a slowing...
Michael Lee, let me interrupt you there. You would lighten up on big tech in any rally, so I should sell my Microsoft?
Well, it depends how big of a portion of your portfolio it is, Stuart, and how long you intend to hold it. Well, look, this is going to be a difficult environment for anything with the higher multiple, even an outperformer like Microsoft. You have slowing profit growth across the S&P 500. You have slowing growth across the global economy, decreasing liquidity, runaway inflation. With all those things going on, I'm surprised the market's not 15 to 20% lower than where it is right now. But so that gives me a little bit of hope. And the labor market and the consumer are still doing fairly well. The labor market is absolutely on fire. It's hard to be a hero and sell all of it at the top and buy all of it at the bottom. In fact, that's a near impossibility. So I'd be lightening up on these volatile, high multiple stocks on days of rallies, and I'd be buying these high quality names like an energy yesterday or even today.
You've got 30 seconds to tell me if you think Elon Musk can transform Twitter.
Yeah, he absolutely can. It just depends on how committed he is to free speech. So a lot of things that people are hopeful on, that remains to be seen. But to transform it into a profitable business, it needs a fresh new look, a fresh set of ideas, and taking it private makes the absolute most amount of sense to kind of completely reinvent the business model that they have right there, because the name of the game in social media is users, tens of millions of users, and figuring out how to monetize that is the easy part. Getting traction on the platform is the hard part. So I think a fresh set of eyes, a creative guy like Elon and his team will go in there, and I think they'll do well. I would say it remains to be seen if it becomes this free speech bastion.
Okay, we're watching it. The Dow has opened with a loss of 200 points. You're now back